Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing this Alesis keyboard. I really like this thing, it sounds just like a piano. I'm a beginner, I'm a novice, but I've been able to learn on this and it's great. So I can turn up the volume here, so if I'm see the volume. So you can make it quiet if there's other people. You can turn it all the way up. I can go on to the electric piano version. Organ, like a church vibe. Synth. This one's a little bit weird. It's kind of cool though. And then bass. You can do metronome, set a beat, a lesson, chorus, reverb. Yeah, it's pretty lightweight. You can easily plug it into the wall, so you can have a little outlet here that'll make it work. It also comes with this, so if you have music, if you read music, I personally have a little like tablet that I use up here sometimes, so I'll put that up here. I'll be able to play songs like that. Yeah, overall I really like this thing. It's a great keyboard for my level. I really recommend it.